Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the remarkable health benefits of guava and its leaves. This superfruit is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can transform your health journey naturally. Rather than relying solely on pharmaceuticals, incorporating guava into your diet can help address various health issues, from blood sugar and cholesterol management to improving immunity and digestion. Join us as we discover how this miracle fruit can empower you to take charge of your well-being. Let me share a personal experience. When faced with rising blood sugar and cholesterol levels, my doctor gave me a serious warning about potential health risks. Instead of immediately turning to medication, I decided to make significant dietary changes. This led me to discover guava, with its ability to help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. By incorporating this nutritious fruit into my daily diet, I not only found a delicious addition to my meals but also took control of my health in a more holistic way. Guava truly is a nutritional powerhouse. Did you know it contains 5 times more vitamin C than oranges? This remarkable vitamin is crucial for boosting your immune system and helping your body fight off infections. Additionally, guava is rich in antioxidants including flavonoids and carotenoids, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. These compounds protect your cells from damage and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By eating guava regularly, you're fortifying your body against various health challenges naturally. Guava plays a significant role in improving heart health through its rich content of soluble fibers and potassium. These soluble fibers effectively lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing heart disease risk. The potassium in guava helps maintain healthy blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in your body. Regular consumption leads to improved circulation, ensuring nutrients and oxygen are efficiently delivered throughout your system. Unlike pharmaceutical interventions, guava provides these cardiovascular benefits without unwanted side effects. For those managing diabetes, guava is an excellent choice due to its low glycemic index. It releases glucose slowly into the bloodstream, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. Both the fruit and leaves offer unique benefits for glucose regulation. The fruit's dietary fiber slows sugar absorption, while compounds in guava leaves enhance insulin sensitivity. Whether enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as tea made from the leaves, guava can be a delicious and effective addition to your diabetes management routine. Guava excellently alleviates digestive issues and promotes gut health, primarily through its high fiber content. This fiber facilitates regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, providing natural relief from digestive discomfort. The leaves also possess antimicrobial properties that combat digestive infections. Many people report significant improvements in bloating and irregularity after adding guava to their diets, while others find that guava leaf tea soothes their stomachs and improves overall digestion. Guava has garnered attention for its potential cancer-preventive properties due to its rich array of beneficial compounds. It contains powerful antioxidants like lycopene and quercetin, which may help inhibit tumor growth and protect cells from damage. Studies have examined guava's effects on prostate, breast, and colon cancers, suggesting that regular consumption may contribute to reduced risk. While not a cure, guava's nutrient profile offers protective benefits that support overall health and potentially lower cancer risk. For enhanced skin health and beauty, guava is a fantastic natural solution. Its high vitamin C content boosts collagen production, maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. The antioxidants in guava combat free radicals, reducing wrinkles and protecting against UV damage. Regular consumption promotes skin regeneration and repair, leading to a more youthful complexion. Whether eaten fresh or used in homemade face masks, guava nourishes your skin from the inside out. Guava leaves possess remarkable medicinal properties with numerous health benefits. Rich in antimicrobial and antifungal compounds, they help combat infections and promote wellness. These leaves improve insulin sensitivity, regulate blood sugar, reduce bad cholesterol, and support healthy blood pressure. Incorporating guava leaves into your health routine through tea or various recipes can be a valuable addition to your daily regimen. Making guava leaf tea is simple. Boil a few fresh leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain and enjoy warm or chilled. Add honey or lemon for flavor if desired. This tea boosts immunity and aids digestion through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Experiment with guava leaves in your health routine. Add dried leaves to smoothies or use them in cooking to discover their health-enhancing potential. In summary, we've explored guava's numerous health benefits, from boosting immunity and improving heart health to aiding digestion and supporting skin wellness. Its rich nutritional profile makes it a valuable addition to any diet. We encourage you to take action by incorporating guava into your meals through fresh fruit, smoothies, or guava leaf tea. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with loved ones who may benefit. Your engagement helps us create more valuable health content, empowering everyone to embrace natural solutions for better well-being.